How to fix Insta360 GO Ultra not connecting. So first of all, on your mobile device, make sure that you install Insta360 application. Now over here, instead of the option of open, if you see the option of update, tap on it in order to update the application, which will fix all the app errors and bug issues. Then simply tap on open in order to launch the app. Then, if you go to the category of Me, then under Device Settings, you can see Device Firmware Info. Tap on it. Now over here in my case, you can see that the firmware is updated to its latest version. If you see the option of update here, tap on it and update device firmware. If your issue is still not fixed, take your device. Make sure that it is turned on. Then, scroll down below and tap on the gear icon to go to Settings. From here, scroll down below. Then you'll see Factory Reset option. Tap on it. Now, one thing you have to note down is that if you factory reset your camera, this will only reset the camera settings. However, it won't delete any files. So just tap on Confirm. So follow these easy steps in order to fix your issue. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.